Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTubers. Make sure likes, comment down below, make sure subscribe, and don't forget follow my Instagram page. So I'll be telling you this. I have a 399 subscribers, give me 10 million already. So today we are talking about safety tips. Don't honk at your people on the driver's seat because we have kids, babies, and if you honk too much, when police pull you over, give you a ticket. So don't do it, guys. So safety tips, safety street laws. If police pull over for no reasons, pull up your phone, start recording, and make sure upload this video so much clearly. So anyways guys, I hope to see you soon for next videos coming up, new update. So I love you guys. So right now it's a 5:06, so it's gonna be 6:30. We have to eat dinner. So guys, I love you, stay tuned, and bye.